folks. It's a nice day today. Still need the air conditioner though. Today we're going to head to Santa Clarita. Well, we're in Santa Clarita, and we're going to drive to the beach down Highway 126, I think it is. It's called here. Today we're going to head to the beach and check things out. We're also scouting out for like camping places along the beach so we can see. Day I got my first dent on the RV. I wasn't paying attention, pulling out, bumped a pole. You can't see it here. Yep. So fortunately it's just this panel, which I could take off. Maybe it's repairable or at least replaceable. And it didn't like cut across edges or anything, but yeah, first little battle scar for RVing. A little bit of a bummer. But you know, you live in it and drive it everywhere, it's bound to happen eventually. So okay, off to the beach. Dressed for the beach. So you can have your RV there. You just can only have it there during the day. You boot it out at night.
Ooh, there it is.
So here you come. Coming up to the beach.
Well, you're not the only one not dressed for the beach.
Yeah. This is the second body of water we've been wading around in. From Lake Michigan, now the Pacific Ocean. And if you look at the beach around here, and then I show you a clip of Lake Michigan, you see they look almost identical.
Yeah, what kind? What do you want them? Chickpeas.
Chickpeas.
Okay.
Cucumber.
Yeah, all of it.
All of it. Well, I think it comes with chicken or pork or...
I'd rather have chickpeas.
Okay.
And the tzatziki.
Alright, we're going to have chickpea taco. First taco in California.
Chickpea taco.
Yum yum. Chickpea.
Yay.
There's the tacos.
Chickpea tacos.
Chickpea tacos.
This
I consider a strict beef. Or not chicken or beef.
Guess whose idea the chickpea taco was?
Yeah, not mine.
That's good. He said it wasn't that bad.
They're not that bad. But I need to have some meat in my stuff. I don't like green food.
Try it. Just a mouthful. I don't like green food.
One of the things we're out today doing is scouting, where we can take the RV, just pre-scouting roads, seeing where we can park it. I'd like to get it near the beach, on the beach even. And you can see here, these guys in their RV, they are definitely on the beach. This is called Emma Wood State Beach and Emma Wood State Campground. And I can get an RV, you can get up to 45 feet in here. He says in certain spots. So this guy's got an old Airstream in here. Airstream Classic. Here's where slides comes in, or no slides comes in handy. You don't take up as much room. You can see there's some pretty big rigs in here. Don't be shy, pulling in your big rig.